Hey there, I wanted to do a tutorial to show you how to style our Tootie's Turbans reversible short tie style. We designed these to be really easy to wear, easy to put on, give you lots of options so you can reverse it and have two choices. And it has great fit, some elastic in the back, and you're able to tie it to fit your size head. So I'll show you two ways to tie this. So you're just going to slip on the cap, and then with the ties, simply just tie a knot. So here at this point you have two options. You could turn up some of this underside color, and Coco is joining me to show you how to do this tutorial. So I like showing the inside color, so I'm just going to go with that. And then you just simply tie another knot. Okay. And I like to fluff up the knots so it gives a little bit more height to the knot. You can keep this mix of color, or if you just want all the sailboat and whales to show, you just flip that around. Tuck your hair. Now when you want, you can just take this off, hang it up, and when you're ready to go for the next time, slip it on, and you're ready to go. So one other way I'll show you with the reverse side. So you just take it off. You're going to flip it to the other color. So 2 turbans for the price of 1. How awesome is that? And again, just slip the cap on. Going to tie it, and the other option is to just make a little bow. So because this is the short tie version, it will just be a tiny bow. So you're just going to make your bow, pull it tight, and then fluff up the bow ends. And you can flip everything if you just want that solid or the one pattern to show. Okay, and you got a cute little bow.